Today's sentences list. Sentence 1.
Put the mobile phone on charging.
Put the mobile phone on charging.
Sentence 2.
He abreacted over me.
He abreacted over me.
Sentence 3.
Don't shoot arrows in the dark.
Don't shoot arrows in the dark.
Sentence 4.
I might miss my salah.
I might miss my salah.
Sentence 5.
Sneezing since morning.
Sneezing since morning.
Sentence 6.
May I bring water for you?
May I bring water for you?
Sentence 7.
Only thanks would not be enough.
Only thanks would not be enough.